Morning, folks. I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters in the Pathfinder School, back down here at the Pathfinder Outdoor Classroom. What I want to show you today was I came up with an idea yesterday while I was sitting around the campfire shooting that winter campfire video. And I was thinking about this cold handle shovel that I like so much, and I use it quite a bit of the time. I keep it in my four-wheeler 100% of the time. I pulled it out of my four-wheeler, put it in my pack yesterday to shoot that video. But I wanted to show you, I've got this antique T-handle here for an auger bit. And if you look at the profile, it's very similar to the cold steel shovel handle. So I wondered if I could make an adapter for the cold steel shovel that you could bolt onto the shovel and then actually take an auger bit and plug it into that hole and use this as a T-handle for an auger bit, so it served double purpose for a pioneering style kit. And this set of auger bits here is from a military pioneering set. It's a full set of auger bits, and this handle came from somewhere else. I think it's a Miller's Falls adapter for auger bits. These are kind of hard to find, but I kind of roll it up in this kit and it stays with it. But this gives you something you can carry one or two auger bits into the field with you. You wouldn't have to have something separate to turn those augers, and you wouldn't necessarily have to have a Scotch-eyed auger that you have to cut another stick for. You already have the T-handle for that with you in your camp. So stay with me. We're going to get this thing started. I'm going to show you how I made it. We're going to test this bad boy out. It's funny that this kit here, this pioneering kit, has a little bitty pocket right here. I'm not even sure what that pocket's for, but it's perfect to put these cold steel shovel screws into so that they don't get lost. Once you take it off, you're going to use it for an auger bit. All right, guys, listen, I appreciate you joining me out here today for this quick DIY video on how to turn your cold steel shovel handle into a T-handle and adapter for auger bits. You can buy auger bits fairly readily at rummage sales, yard sales, estate sales, antique stores, $1, $2 a bit, things like that. Carry 2 or 3 of them with you with an adapter like this on your shovel that you're already carrying, and you've made that tool more multifunctional than it already is. Not a very difficult project, pretty simple to complete. I hope I showed you the step-by-step in this video as best I could. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for family, for business, all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends, and I'll be back with another video as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.